Hey guys, okay, this will just be a quick little unboxing because I got my purchase back from Jen over at Butterfly Stitches and I'm super excited. I was in the middle of like editing some stuff and I had to stop to go and get this box because I didn't want it sitting outside because it's raining all day. It's sunny now, but it has been raining. Come on, Daisy. Daisy has now joined us, but she's down on the ground. Okay. So, came like this. Oh, they're so pretty. So, this is the tumbled black little book bag. You get on this side. Tumbled black little book bag, and I had the flap redone. So this really beautiful, oh, it's so pretty. This is so pretty. I love that like pop of color and femininity. It's so pretty. Love it. And the second one I have done is basically what I carried last week. Yeah, last week. I keep getting my weeks confused. And it is in my tumbled black and it's my medium breeze. And oh, so pretty. It is a pocket reline. So you can see, let me get this so I can open it up a little bit. You can see that the bottom, can you see that? There you go. So you can see that the bottom is still the gray canvas interior. And then I've got it came back with the same like two pockets that it had on this side. And then the zipper pocket over here, just below, or I guess, yeah, just below where you also see that canvas textile behind it, which is fine because to me, like I approved it all and I love it. To me, it just gives this purse like that little extra, something, you know, where it's not just so dark and boring inside, but now it's got this beautiful interior. I love it. Thank you, Jen. Another successful reline and flap reline by Butterfly Stitches. I appreciate it so much. I love them. I can't wait to use them. Of course, now I'm doing this bag a week challenge, so I'm gonna have to wait and give them their turn. But I guess I will maybe carry one of them next week. Anyway, until then, talk to you guys next time. Bye.